Hi, this is the full conceal perspective regarding the question about what magazines does the full conceal M3D work with. So this is the M3D. It comes with a standard Magpul 21 round magazine, but it will fit any double stack Glock compatible magazine, anything from 15 rounds and above. So the only magazine that Glock makes that wouldn't work in the double stack 9 is the 10 round made for the Glock 26. It comes a little bit short into catching the mag release here, but the 15 round will work fine all the way up to the 33. So here's the 15 round. If I put this in here, we'll click in, gotta press the button to bring it all the way up, and this will just self-index in. Same with the 17 round. Click in here, that's the 17 round, self-index in. And the 33 round is unique in that you can carry a 33 round. It would actually go past this self-indexing point. It's anywhere in between here. Worst case, it drops to the bottom and indexes in. But you can pass that point going all the way to the top. You know, however you want to carry it. Put it like this or make it flush. Self-contained unit, and that's the deployment of it.